Among all the new and exciting challenges that come with a new child, you may not have considered how your child will affect your taxes. Don't panic, we've got great news for you. Having a kid usually means more tax breaks, so you have even more of a reason to celebrate. First, no matter when your child was born during the year, the IRS counts your child as having lived with you for the entire year. You'll get the full value of parental tax breaks, even if your child was born in late December. Second, you can claim the child tax credit, which gives you a non-refundable credit up to $2,000 for each eligible child dependent. In order to claim the credit, the child must be under age 17 at the end of the year, and you must claim the child as a dependent on your return. Now, you won't be able to claim the credit for the child if they provided over half of their own support for the year. There are some income limitations on claiming the credit too, so be sure to check the 1040.com tax guide for income caps. To provide even more savings, there's the additional child tax credit. Now, don't be confused. It's not a credit for an additional child. This one actually extends the child tax credit if your credit is greater than the total amount of taxes you owe. It's known as the refundable portion of the child tax credit. The requirements for this tax break are the same as the child tax credit, and you must have at least $2,500 of earned income. Finally, qualifying dependents who can't be claimed on the child tax credit due to their age now qualify for a temporary $500 non-refundable credit called the Credit for Other Dependents. This is helpful for those caring for their parents or another qualifying relative. For specifics on income limits, credit amounts, and earned income thresholds for the tax year, see the 1040.com tax guide section on taxes for families.